Latin America is changing the world for good. People are acting in exceptional ways, positively influencing the conservation of our planet. However, they do not always have the funding or the opportunities to establish strategic partnerships that will help them grow, cause an impact, and transforming their communities. This is why Sambito created the Latin American Green Awards, an event that brings together the best 500 social and environmental projects in the region, connecting them with international cooperation agencies, potential investors, and strategic allies, creating opportunities to improve the lifestyle of many people. The Latin American Green Awards were born in 2013 in Guayaquil, Ecuador. In our first edition, project enrollment was only open to Ecuador, reaching 109 projects from within 19 cities. In 2014, many extraordinary regional partners joined the initiative, and in 2015, 24 countries enrolled 1,054 projects from within 159 cities. During 3 days, Guayaquil, Ecuador becomes the gathering place for a joint Latin America in the quest for inspiration, creativity, and reflection. On our third edition and onwards, the organization wants to encourage and motivate participants, including a grant for the winner of each of the 10 categories. This financial support will enable the project to fund activities related to the maintenance and expansion of the initiatives. This is why we are reaching out for the support of NGOs, companies, and international organizations that invest social and environmental areas. Join the companies, international organizations, and agencies that are already part of the Latin American Green Awards and help finance high-impact projects, leading the change in our region. Because good efforts deserve to be not only recognized, but also supported.